Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable living with what we proudly call the best reusable small bags on the market. The Stasher Platinum Silicone Food Grade Reusable Storage Bags. If you're looking for a solution to reduce single-use plastics without sacrificing functionality, then you're in the right place. These innovative storage bags are not just environmentally friendly. They're a versatile kitchen companion that can transform the way you store, cook, and even travel with your food. Let's explore what makes Stasher bags a must-have for your kitchen. First off, the Stasher bags come in a convenient 4-pack, featuring various sizes: 1/2 gallon, 2 sandwich, and 1 snack bag. Each bag is crafted from platinum food-grade silicone, ensuring they are free from harmful chemicals like lead, latex, BPA, and phthalate. This means you can feel good about using them for all your food storage needs. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, packing lunches for the kids, or simply storing leftovers, these bags adapt to your lifestyle. They are not just for storage, they can be used in the microwave, oven, and even for sous vide cooking, withstanding temperatures of up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In our quest to reduce plastic waste, Stasher bags stand out. By choosing these reusable bags, you're making a significant impact. Each bag can replace approximately 260 single-use plastic bags each year. Just think about that. By incorporating Stasher into your daily routine, you're actively participating in the fight against plastic pollution. Stasher has prevented over 5.5 billion single-use plastic bags from entering our landfills and oceans. It's a simple change that leads to a massive positive effect on our planet. Now, let's talk about care and maintenance. Stasher bags are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Just toss them in the top rack of your dishwasher or wash them with warm soapy water. However, a quick tip: avoid turning them inside out, as that can cause damage over time. One of the standout features of these bags is the innovative leak-free pinch lock seal, ensuring that your food stays fresh without any spills. You can confidently pack liquids like soups or marinades without worrying about messy leaks. To wrap up, if you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly solution for food storage, the Stasher Platinum Silicone Reusable Storage Bags are an excellent choice. They combine durability, versatility, and environmental consciousness into one simple product. So, if you're ready to ditch single-use plastics and make a positive change, head over to the link in the description to grab your set of Stasher bags today. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the best products out there. Together, let's make informed choices for a better tomorrow.